Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check if your Motorola Edge 60 Fusion is on the blacklist using the IMEI.info page. Alright, so let's begin. So in this bar right here we need to type our IMEI number. If you don't know how to find it, there's also a video on our channel when I'm showing you the whole page and all possible options. And there I'm also showing you how to check the IMEI number of your phone. Okay, so once you have typed your IMEI number, click on this blue button, check IMEI. Now we need to scroll down a little bit. In here you can also read the basic information about the phone and also expand the info. But we need to scroll down a little bit more. And on the left side we have the basic checks free, and the first option from the top is the blacklist simple check. So we need to click on that. Now on this blue button, check blacklist status. And now as you can see we have the confirmation that this device is clean. Below we have information about the brand, the model, our IMEI number, confirmation that this device is clean, the date on which the report was created at, and below we can also perform the blacklist premium check. We can click on order now. Now we need to scroll down, but as you can see this premium method costs $4, and the time needed for this action is from 10 seconds to 10 minutes. Also below you can see a comparison. So on the left side we see how the report will look like when the phone is blacklisted, and on the opposite side we have an example how it will look like when the phone is clean. Okay, you can also read more about blacklist premium check as you scroll down a little bit more. In here you can read about the advantages of using paid blacklist premium check. So if your device is clean, the results contains model number and manufacturer. If your device is blacklisted, the result contains many details such as model, manufacturer, blacklisted by, blacklisted country, and blacklisted on. All results in premium service contains PDF certificate, which you can share. The result is saved on your IMEI.info account history. You can download PDF certificate anytime, and the result is fast, accurate, and detailed. Alright, so that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.